The best movies of all time, a cinematic journey. Welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into a captivating topic, the best movies of all time. Casablanca, a timeless love story. First up, we can't discuss the greatest films without mentioning Casablanca. This 1942 romantic drama tells the story of Rick Blaine, a cynical American expatriate who runs a nightclub in Casablanca, Morocco. When his former lover Ilsa Lund walks into his gin joint with her husband Victor Laszlo, Rick is forced to confront his past and make a decision that will impact their lives forever. Casablanca is a film that has it all: unforgettable performances, a sweeping score, and quotable dialogue. Citizen Kane, a masterclass in filmmaking. Next on our list is Orson Welles' 1941 masterpiece, Citizen Kane. This groundbreaking film tells the story of Charles Foster Kane, a fictional newspaper tycoon, through a series of flashbacks. Its innovative use of cinematography, editing, and storytelling techniques continue to influence filmmakers today. The Godfather, an operatic crime saga. Fast forward to 1972 and we have Francis Ford Coppola's epic crime drama, The Godfather. With Marlon Brando's iconic performance as Don Vito Corleone and Al Pacino's star-making turn as Michael, The Godfather is a film that gets under your skin and stays with you long after the credits roll. Chapter 4, Pulp Fiction, a postmodern masterpiece. Quentin Tarantino burst onto the scene in 1994 with Pulp Fiction, a postmodern crime film that rewrote the rules of cinema. With its sharp dialogue, unforgettable characters, and shocking violence, Pulp Fiction became an instant cult classic. Chapter 5, Parasite, a Cinematic Symphony. Bong Joon-ho's Parasite took the world by storm in 2019, becoming the first non-English language film to win the Academy Award for Best Picture. This South Korean masterpiece is a darkly comedic thriller that follows the Kim family, a poor family who scheme their way into working for the wealthy Park family. Chapter 6, Amélie, a Whimsical Delight. For a healthy dose of whimsy and charm, look no further than Jean-Pierre Jeunet's Amélie. This 2001 French romantic comedy tells the story of Amélie Poulain, a quirky and imaginative young waitress in Montmartre, Paris, who embarks on a quest to spread joy and happiness to those around her. Chapter 7, Sophie's Choice, the Power of Meryl Streep. Meryl Streep is widely regarded as one of the greatest actresses of all time, and for good reason. Her performance in Alan J. Pakula's 1982 drama Sophie's Choice is a testament to her extraordinary talent. Streep's performance is raw, vulnerable, and utterly heartbreaking, cementing her place as an acting legend. Chapter 8, The Dark Knight, a haunting performance. Heath Ledger's performance as the Joker in Christopher Nolan's The Dark Knight is the stuff of legend. Ledger's Joker is a force of chaos and anarchy, a terrifying and unpredictable presence that pushes Batman to his limits. These are just a few highlights from the vast world of cinema. What are your favorite movies of all time? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content. Until next time, keep the magic of movies alive.